If I could go back 8 years and start trading again, these are the 5 things that I would focus on. So grab a notebook and a pen and let's dive straight into the video. Point number 1, stop trying to reinvent the wheel. So many traders over the past 8 years that have come across my path are constantly trying to find the next best, amazing strategy under the sun. Truth is, the strategies are out there. It's dependent on the type of trader that you need to become in order to make a strategy profitable for yourself. I've developed certain strategies that I currently trade till this day, but I need you to choose a strategy first. Choose a strategy and play it out for 6 months. One of my mentors about 7 years ago told me, if you bring me a strategy with 6 months worth of data, then I'll listen to you. Until then, get to work. That was the best conversation I had, which lasted about 30 seconds. But the truth is, there's no point trying to reinvent the wheel. There's no point trying to come up with a magical strategy. Find a strategy, create a trading plan, stick to that strategy for 6 months. Have at least 6 months worth of data before you try and change stuff. There is no point trying to change things, trade different currency pairs, change your risk, if you haven't got 6 months. So folks, get your 6 months, choose a strategy. I'll leave a link down below on how you can trade my strategies and learn more from me, but find a strategy. That is it. Point number 2 is create a trading plan. What is a trading plan? You'd be surprised how many people do not have one and how many people don't actually trade according to a plan. Most people just go for it. I actually put a poll in my Telegram the other day when I asked how many people actually trade with a plan. I'll insert the poll anywhere around this video right now, but most people don't. The reality is there are people out there that turn up to the market every day, have no idea what they're doing, and they just go for it. Throw trades on, hope for the best. There's a good old English saying, it's like throwing shit against the wall and hoping it sticks. That's not a trading strategy, and that's not a plan. So folks, point number 1, find a strategy. Point number 2, create a trading plan. Trading plans constitute of finding out your risk, understanding what times of the day you're going to be trading, knowing that you have loss limits and profit targets. These things constitute as correct trading behavior. But if you don't have a plan in place, you're not going to know how to deal with these tasks when they arise. So 2, make a trading plan. Point number 3, slicing up your risk. My biggest breakthrough in markets over the past 8 years was me slicing my risk up. Whether you're trading prop or trading your own money, if you know that you have £1,000 to risk on a trade, slice that up. If you know in a funded account you only want to lose 2% this week, slice that up. What does slicing that up means? All it means is chopping that up, giving yourself more opportunity, giving yourself more room to breathe as a trader. If you're going to be risking 1%, okay, is that 0.5% per trade? Is that 0.25% per trade? How many trades are you going to have with that 0.5%? The reality is, folks, most traders don't stay in the game. You need to stay in the game, right? You need to find a strategy, you need to create a trading plan, and number 3, you have to slice up your risk. If I could go back 8 years, that's the first thing I'd ensure after finding my strategy and after making a plan. Slicing my risk up. It is so crucial. So I hope by the end of watching this video, you're going to go ahead and slice up your risk. Number 4 is setting my expectations. Most traders have large expectations in markets, but a very short time horizon. I need you, if you're watching this right now, flip that around, right? Flip it over. Have small expectations of the market and broaden your time horizon. You can still have your big goals. You can still want to buy that GT3 RS. You can still want to have that villa. You can have that ideal life. But for your trading psychology purposes, bring that all the way down. Remain profitable. Stay in the game. Manage your risk. Keep playing your edge out in markets. Then you'll have a long, fruitful career as a trader. And the beauty about me being a trader for only 8 years, I have more years in front of me than I have behind me. That is so amazing. That is a breath of fresh air.
Okay.
You're not against the clock. You're here to become a better trader, and you're here to stay in the game. Most people blow up. Stay in the game. Point number 5, my final point, is always improve. Always look at how you could have done better. I have a weekly mantra that at the start of the week, I ask myself, what did I learn last week? At the end of the week, I summarize what I learned. So the start of the week, it's a quick 5 bullet point summary of what happened last week. What did I learn? To start the week off, I read those 5 bullet points and I start my week prepared. If every single week that you're a trader, you can slightly improve, you're ahead, you're winning. All you need to do as a trader, right, is stay in the game and not make the same mistakes over and over again. That is where most fail. So right, folks, I'd like to summarize this video for you. Point number 1 is choosing a strategy. It is so crucial. If you want to trade like me, I'm going to put more information down in the description below. Point number 2, create a trading plan. I've actually been working on a free trading plan that I'm going to be making available in my school very, very soon. Point number 3, slice up your risk. It is so crucial. Point number 4, you want to go ahead and evaluate whether or not you really have these large expectations, or you have lowered your expectations and you're in this for the long run. Ask yourself that simple question. And if you're not, go back to the drawing board. Reset your expectations, broaden your time horizon, and just know that, you need to out-trade the person next to you. And if you're going to out-trade the person next to you, you need to stay in the game. That is it. And point number 5 there, folks, is always improving. Always ask yourself in a trading week what you've learned. Take that lesson into the next trading week and stack those lessons and keep improving and keep bettering yourself every single day, every single week. But folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Drop a thumbs up on this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Put those bell notifications on so you can get a notification when I drop a new video. But that's it, right? Have a good week. See you on the next video. Peace out.